Hello student, today we'll have class on quadratic equations of advanced mathematics. I hope you have all completed all the numericals of quadratic equations from general mathematics. So today in advanced mathematics we will learn formations of quadratic equations from roots. Now, as you know that a quadratic equation has got two roots. So with those given two roots, how will form a quadratic equation? Now we have a formula to find a quadratic equations whose two of its roots are known to us. That the formula is x square minus sum of those two roots into x plus product of those two roots is equal to 0. So this is the formula to form a quadratic equations. Now let us take the problem of exercise 4.1, question number 1. Form a quadratic equations with the following roots. So question number 1, the roots are minus 5 and 7. So let us solve it. So question number 1 solution. Required quadratic equation is given by, write down the formula now, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. So this implies x square minus sum of the roots. The roots are minus 5 comma 7. So sum of the roots, it will be minus 5 plus 7 into x plus product of the roots. The roots are minus 5 and 7, so product will be minus 5 into 7 equal to 0. So this implies x square minus 5 and plus 7 is plus 2, x plus into minus is minus, 5 into 7 is 35 is equal to 0. So this implies x square minus into plus is minus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. So this is your required quadratic equations. Now let us see what the sub question number 2 is asking. Question number 2. Form the quadratic equations. Here also you have to form the quadratic equations whose one of the root is given. Not both the roots are given, only one root is given, and that is root 3i. Now root 3i, as we have done the complex. So let me write first question number 2 sub question number 1 solution. One root is given to you as root 3i. You don't know the other root, but it is a complex number, as we have done as we have completed the complex chapter, so you know that it is a complex number. So the other roots will be its conjugate. Therefore other root will be its conjugate. So conjugate of root 3i is minus root 3i. So therefore required quadratic equations is given by, so write down the formula, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the root equal to 0. So this implies x square minus sum of the roots. The roots are root 3i and minus root 3i. So root 3i plus another one is minus root 3i into x plus product of the roots. Roots are root 3i and minus root 3i is equal to 0. So this implies x square minus here plus root 3i and minus root 3i will get cancelled. That means it will become 0. So that means you are getting 0x. Here again plus into minus is minus. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. I into I is I square equal to 0. So this implies x square minus 0x. So no need to write. So minus 3 and then the value of I square is minus 1, as you know from the complex chapter, equal to 0. So this implies x square minus into minus is plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is your required quadratic equations. So I hope you understood how to form quadratic equations. So we'll continue again in the next class. Thank you.